What's up, beautiful people? It is your girl everlenia.chenelle, and I am back with another video. So of course I'm gonna be showing y'all how I created this beautiful look here. But before we get into the video, I just want to say, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to your girl, turn your notifications on, and also if you end up enjoying this video, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. That's that for the introduction. Let's get into the video. For my eyelids today, I'm just gonna be using the P.Louise Base in the shade Rumor 4. Okay, so for the eyeshadow today, I'm gonna actually be using the neon pigment, and this one is called Neon Baddie by Bad Beauty Cosmetics. I got it off of Instagram, but for the colors today, I'm gonna be using this green, and I'm gonna be using this blue right here. And of course, I'm gonna go in with the blue first, and then I'm gonna blend it into the green. Alright, so to create the liner today, I just used my my NYX Epic Wear, and I put some tape down, as y'all can see, just so I can make sure that my lines are nice and crisp. So for now, we're done with the eyes, but moving on to the face. I'm gonna prime my face today using my Juno Co primer, and of course y'all already know I'm just gonna put it on my face. Color correcting, I'm using my Black Radiance True Complexion HD color corrector in the shade orange, and y'all already know I'm just gonna put that over my dark spots, like here and here in my chin. For the foundation today, using M.A.C Studio Fix Fluid in my shade NC50, and yeah. For highlights today, I'm going in with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Golden Honey, and I'm just gonna highlight under my eyes, my nose, my forehead, and my chin. For contour, we're going in with the black Radiance True Complexion Palette in the shade dark to deep. I'm sorry, medium to dark. And of course, I am going to highlight or contour my forehead, my nose, and my jawline. To set the highlight today, I'm gonna be using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and of course I'm just gonna set everywhere I apply my highlight and concealer. To set the contour, I'm gonna be using my black Radiance True Complexion Palette in the shade dark to deep. And of course, I'm just gonna apply that everywhere I apply my contour concealer. Alright, so I'm gonna spray my face with a little bit of the Mario Badescu coconut water spray, and then I'm gonna blend everything with my flat top brush. Alrighty, and I'm gonna go in with my Morphe bronzer just to add a little bit more warmth to, you know, my face. Highlighter today, I'm gonna use my Anastasia Glow Kit, and I think I'm gonna do I think I'm gonna do Hot Sand, which is this one. I think I'm gonna do that one. So that's that for the face. I'm gonna finish my eyes and then I'm gonna come back to y'all. Alright y'all, that's that for the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the vibe, and don't forget to turn your notifications on so you know when I'm posting videos. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Y'all, I gotta hurry up. I'm trying to hurry up because my power had went out when I was recording because it's storming outside, so I'm trying to hurry up. But yeah, don't forget to follow your girl on I was about to say on notification on social media too, okay? Well, with that being said, y'all, I love y'all, and I will talk to y'all later.